What's going on, everybody? Pokeball here, and today we're going to be opening up 5 of these 2-pack 1-pin blisters. I picked these up off of eBay. I picked up 2 lots. They were 10 of these for $34.99, so I went ahead and picked up 2 of the lots. You can find these at any Walgreens for I think around $11 or $12. But when you break it down for what I paid for them, I got them for roughly $4 a piece. So that is a complete steal in my book. But we have 5 of these things, and as you can see, just to grab 2 of them, they do feature Xerneas and Yveltal, so I am very pumped about that. And they all contain 2 packs of Breakpoint. So I am going to get these all cracked open, and then we will go cracking into some of these packs. Alright, so we do have our pins. I was completely incorrect. I thought they contained 2 packs of Breakpoint, but it looks like they also come with a Fates Collide. But we do have our Xerneas pin, and we have our Yveltal. Absolutely love the pins that Pokemon does. You guys know that already. But we have a boatload of them. And then our booster packs, we have 5 packs of each set, 5 Breakpoint and 5 Fates Collide. So let's just go ahead and open these things up and see which one actually gives us the better pulls. So we will just go back and forth and do it like that. Alright, we have an Electabuzz, Trubbish, Ferroseed, Furfrou, Corsola. We have Pokemon Catcher, Heatmore, Great Ball, Reverse Hollow is a Phantom, and a Dragalge Hollow Rare. Almost said regular rare. So we do come out with a Hollow on our first pack. It's been quite a while since I've opened up any Fates Collide, it seems like. Alright, we have a Minccino, Whismur, Snivy, Fennekin, Jigglypuff, Kangaskhan, Kabuto, Ultra Ball. We have an Omastar break. There we go. So both packs right off the bat. And an Exploud regular rare. Moving on to our next pack of Breakpoint. Would love to get me a full art Gyarados. Alright, we have a Tempo, Ducklet, Glameow, Spritzy, Shinx, Slowbro with Walk-Off Homer, Gabite, Lapras, Reverse Hollow is a Stantler, and a Golduck regular rare. Moving on to our next pack of Fates Collide. Alright, we have a Burmy, Larvitar, Meowth, Fennekin, Gothita, Random Receiver, Kangaskhan, Kabuto, this is almost like the last pack, Reverse Hollow is a Carbink, and that is a rare, and we have a Mr. Mime regular rare. So not too bad, not too bad. Go ahead and take this Breakpoint code. Alright, we have a Corsola, Froakie, Ferroseed, Electabuzz, Staryu, Slowbro, Per Ugly, Scizor Spirit Link, Max Potion, that is pretty good, and a Ferrothorn, regular rare. Come on, Breakpoint. You are lacking. Alright, we have a Finnegan, Snubble, Seal, Bronzor, Cottonee. We have a De-Evolution Spray, Cinccino, DCE, Minccino Reverse Holo, and a Marowak regular rare. Back over to Breakpoint. We have only gotten a holo, so it is time that we come out with something. Alright, we have a Shelter, Kricketot, Rattata, Froakie, Electabuzz, Max Potion again. We have a Sigilyph, Reverse Valley Stadium, Staryu, Reverse Holo, and a Zebstrika regular rare, which is not a bad card. Sorry, that Reverse Valley Stadium card had me all confused. Go ahead and take this code. Alright, we have a Cottonee, Burmy, Larvitar, Meowth, Finnegan, Zygarde, Ammonite, Whimsicott. We have a Reverse Holo Loudred, and our rare is an Altaria EX. Very nice. Very gorgeous card. I don't think I have seen this one yet. So Fates Collide coming through with the pools. Breakpoint, you are letting me down. You're one of my favorite sets. Seriously. One white code out of all these Breakpoint packs. Come on. Maybe we can get a break. Alright, we have a Growlithe, Esper, Numel, Honedge, come on, Shelter, Heatmore, Great Ball, Reverse Valley again, Reverse Holo is a Spritzy, and a Pangoro regular rare. So Breakpoint absolutely getting destroyed. And final pack, Fates Collide. This was not a pack battle, but if it was, Fates Collide absolutely destroyed. Alright, we have a Binacle, Riolu, Minccino, Whismur, Snivy, Weezing. We have a Chaos Tower Stadium. Man, what is up with all these stadiums? Altaria Spirit Link, Mandevuz Reverse Holo, which is a rare, and a Kabutops non-holo rare. So ending it off with a reverse rare. But just to go over these pulls, the only noteworthy pull out of Breakpoint was this Dragalge holo rare. And then Fates Collide coming in with two ultra rares. We got the Omastar Break and then the Altaria EX. Very nice. It has 170 HP, powerful gain, which says if this Pokemon was healed during this turn, this attack does 60 more damage and heal 30 damage from this Pokemon. And then Shiny Wind, 80 damage during your opponent's next turn. This Pokemon has no weakness, so that's pretty nifty. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more, and I will see you all in my next video.